Keep talking to her. Hi. Hello, Riker. Mama. Oh, you're getting frustrated now. I don't think she likes it anymore. She just wants you to talk to her. Hi, baby girl.
Hi, baby girl.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, are you done now? Say bye. Is she funny?
Yeah.
Say bye to Daddy. Look at the camera.
Bye, Daddy.
Say we'll see you in how many sleeps? Wait. 5 sleeps. See Daddy in 5 sleeps. Bye, Daddy.